I've been waiting to show you guys this bad boy. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Mike and this is Outdoor Adventuring Gear, and I'm so happy to be showing you this backpack I've had and used for over a year. This is the 40-liter military backpack by Rebo. Now Rebo classifies this as their 3-day military assault pack. Of course, you can use it for backpacking and camping and everything like that. Forgive me for looking down, guys, but because of the size of it, I've got to keep it up on one of my extra tripods to keep it in front.